The Batch Recursive Rendering add-on also includes a feature that lets you export a package to run the render without using Blender's interface. Expand the Headless menu. The first button is used to pack or unpack the resources used in the project directly into the .blend file that will be exported. The second button exports the necessary package for headless rendering. We'll do a quick setup. Enable Combine Objects and Combine Tasks. I'm using the same configuration shown in the video about Combine Tasks. The number of images to export is 11. Enable the Logs and By Camera buttons. Click on Export Headless Package. The package was successfully exported. Open the export folder. A folder named Headless Package has been created. Open it. It contains 6 files, the .blend project used for rendering. The launch render.cmd, .sh, and .py files, used to start the rendering process. The render headless package sc or .py file, which includes the code required for headless execution. The config.json file, which contains all the rendering configuration. Open the config file. It contains important information needed for headless rendering, the state of the add-on buttons and the elements used by the add-on. Please refer to the documentation for more details about each setting. Open a command prompt or terminal. Drag and drop the launch_render.cmd file into it. Important for Windows users, make sure Blender is properly set up in the system environment variables. Otherwise, the render will not start. A link to an instructional video will be provided, or refer to the documentation. Start the render. The process is now running. All 11 images have been exported. Check the export folder. You'll see the 11 images grouped in folders based on the cameras used, such as the folder named Top. Go back to the root of the folder. You'll also find some log files. Delete all files except the headless package folder. Go back into the headless package folder. Open the config file again. This time, let's change a few values. Set combine cameras from false to true. Set combine materials and combine tasks from true to false. Save the changes. Launch another render. This time, only 6 images are generated, instead of 11 like before. The render has correctly taken into account the changes made in the config file. Check the images in the renders folder. You'll find 2 folders, one for each camera, each containing 3 images. That's it for the Export Headless Package feature. Thanks for watching.